Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'm having an absolute blast with this top 5 or best of detailing products and tools, and we're going to continue today. Keep putting your suggestions down in the comment section as to what categories you would like me to add to the series. I'd be happy to do it. Today we are going to continue the series and cover leather cleaners. I got to tell you, number 1 is so far ahead of the rest. Number 2 is decent as well, that I just picked out 3, 4, and 5 off the shelf that I know do a decent job and would not lead you astray. Would do a great, safe job cleaning leather and preserving the finish as well. I need to remind you, leather has a top coat. Similar to how your paint system on your external panels of your car has clear coat to protect it, there is a layer of clear protective plastic on top of leather that blocks UVA, UVB, helps to protect the leather itself as you rooch in and out of the seat, as you're sliding in and out to enter and exit your vehicle. And it's not the actual leather that you're cleaning. It is a plastic layer on top of the leather, unless it's a natural King's Ranch leather like the pickup trucks and some other vehicles have, or it's an older vehicle where that layer is just about completely worn out. There are different dedicated cleaners for rawhide natural leather, and that would be a different category than this. So just remember that. Also, I'd like to get out of the way, if you have a favorite detailing channel, it may not just be this one, other ones that you enjoy. The algorithm is set up in a way where it would really like if you were active within the channel, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the videos, and commenting as well is very important. If you stay linked to your channel that way, the algorithm will let you know when there's new content available on a regular basis. If not, it kind of just fades away and forgets about it. That's how the algorithm works nowadays, and I just wanted to let you know. Let's continue on with this series, and let's do some leather cleaning. First of all, this is a real mixed bags of products here. I have products just straight up clean leather. I have products that are 3-in-1s. They will condition, clean, and protect. And then I just have some that will clean and condition, and I have some that will just clean and protect. So we have a nice mixed bag. It gives you a nice assortment to choose from. Again, never line your shelves with detailing products. Only buy them as you need them, and maybe stay a little bit ahead. And this series is a great series to revert back to in case you run out and you want to try something completely new. Number 5 for me is going to be Bola Solution. Bola Solution, not easiest to find. You probably never even heard of it. What it is pretty much Tax Solutions rebranded. The same products with the same quality. I enjoyed Tax Solutions, Moonlight, and many of their products. They just did not do very well in the States. They didn't take this country seriously when it comes to sales, and I think that was unfortunate and a huge, huge mistake. Their leather care I-43 is a 3-in-1, guys. This will clean, this will condition leather and protect it. And by that I mean the protective layer on top. It's a top coat or a top layer on leather that this works on. So this is good at cleaning, conditioning, and protecting plastic. It is said to leave a little bit of a layer down to help with UVA, UVB block. And I normally just use this on maintenance visits where a vehicle comes in that doesn't have a leather coating, but I want everything done in one shot. A maintenance visit for me, I need the interior to get done quickly. I can't spend a lot of time on maintenance visits, and this will help me save time on that. And let me give you a price on the Bola Solutions I-43 leather care product. We're looking at about $25.99 for a 500 mil, and I get mine from Carzilla. Now Carzilla is in Canada, but I get it within a few days. Quick shipping, excellent service, one of the best companies up there. I would look into Bola Solutions I-43. All right, number 4 for me is going to be from the 3D GLW series. And the GLW series was introduced after it was freshly purchased. I don't know all about that. I don't need to. I just need to know how the products work before and more importantly, after something was acquired to make sure the quality has remained high to my standards. And yes, everything still works great, so I'm not worried about it. So this is just, compared to their PLV, which is plastic, leather, and vinyl cleaner, this is just straight up dedicated for leather surfaces. And I grabbed this because this is just a cleaner. No conditioning, no protection. It just does a pH balanced cleaning procedure for me. And I like this for vehicles where they don't want protection on there. They just want clean vinyl or the leather. You could even use this for plastics as well and just forget about the LVP. They're both $16.99, I believe. Yeah, 500 mils or 16 fluid ounces for $16.99. Straight up pH neutral cleaning balance. This is one where I can clean leather and be confident it's not going to stain it, discolor it, or change its appearance or feel or smell or touch or looks in any way whatsoever. 3D leather cleaner, GLW series. Number 3 on my list is from Koch-Chemie. It is the Koch-Chemie LS Leather Star. Now this product here cleans, and I don't know if it's intended or not, but it leaves a little bit of a semi-gloss behind. It still feels natural. It does have a little bit of a scent too as well. So that's something to take into consideration. It does a very good job cleaning. It's not going to discolor or change, the color appearance of your leather. It just may give it a satin look instead of just a straight up flat natural look to it. Works fantastic when it comes to a price, not bad at $19.99. Semi-gloss finish, I guess, is the best way to describe it. Is there any other, no other sizes here? Color intensifying is probably the best way to describe the look that this tries to give you and gives a nice, soft, subtle feel. So number 3 for me is going to be the Koch-Chemie LS or Leather Star. Okay, number 2 for me stands out kind of a couple steps ahead of 3, 4, and 5, and that is the Gyeon Q2 Leather Cleaner Mild. And this one here I will use before I lay down a coating on leather, ceramic or whatever protection they ask for. And this is a gentle cleaner that will do a great job removing body oils. So the leather on your armrest, center console, as well as the seats gets that shiny sheen from body oils and suntan lotion and you name it. This will remove it without any type of damage whatsoever. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. It is only $16.99 and it's a great product to use before protection, whatever protection you're thinking of on leather. And that again is the Gyeon Leather Cleaner, Q2M Leather Cleaner Mild. They have another version as well that's a little bit stronger. Number 1 for me is just way out ahead of the pack, and that's because of the experience. I so enjoy using Angel Wax Heaven for leather, and I have for years. You could probably dig back 4, 5, 6 years on the channel and see me using this. The experience of how it just lathers underneath your detailing brush and its gentle cleaning power, gentle yet effective. That balance is very important to me when it comes to leather on the higher end cars, and that's where I reach for this. I use this on all of my personal cars as well. Works fine on textured plastics and vinyl and aniline and you name it. It just is a great product, and the overall experience is something I recommend at some point. With leather cleaners, not quite the most important product you're going to have in your detailing arsenal, but it's gonna come across, it's gonna come in your door one of these days where you're going to need it. and I at some point would suggest giving it a try. We're looking at 500 milliliters for $16.99. That's not bad. It also comes in the 5-liter containers for $89.99. I get it, 5 liters is perfectly fine for me. We'll go through it quickly. Everybody here loves to use it. It's just a great experience for a leather cleaner. It's plain and simple. All right, guys, if you have something that you would like to add to this list, and your list may not be in this order either, let us know down in the comment section. If you have any of these products and you would like to add to the experience of any of these, down in the comment section as well. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.